Did I get influenced? I'm going to let you know. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this. This is the new Chanel set. This is the Takeaways in Nature Weekend. I'm wearing it today. You're going to see me apply it. I'm going to talk about all the pieces that are in here. Before we get into the tutorial, I'm just going to give you a little tour of this. So it comes in this box. I've already unboxed it. Comes in here. I kept this box, but you'll see the bag. And then you have 4 pieces of makeup. So you have a little bag, and then you have the box. The box is really, really cute. Looks like a little shopping bag. And you get this cute little bag, which I'll talk about this a little bit more, but you get this cute little bag. You get this eyeshadow. You get the lipstick, which I'm wearing. You get an eyeliner, pink eyeliner, which you'll see me talk about. And then you'll get a balm as well, which I am wearing on my cheeks. Let's get into the tutorial review. I think before I do the eye look that I have, I'm just going to share the lip product first. But I want to line my lips. I want to use Super Size Me. I'm not going to fill it in, but I need to line my lips, especially with something like this. So I'm just going to do this real quick. Okay, so this is the color Besus. And this is it right here. I have been wearing it. I love this color. So let's apply it. Isn't it pretty? Let me just do my bottom so you can see. It takes several swipes, but it's so pretty. What I love about this color, it just like a nice pop of color without being like in your face. What I don't like about this is the formula is one of those formulas that you're going to have to just keep on applying and reapplying and reapplying. It's not going to be long wearing at all. Like I was wearing this yesterday. I wasn't going anywhere, but I just felt like, actually I was testing out a foundation. Not wearing it today, but I was testing out a foundation. And so I was wearing this and I love it. But I had to keep applying it. I was just at home. So I know a lot of people like this formula because it feels amazing on your lips, and it definitely does. But I personally would rather wear like something more of a satin finish lipstick or matte, and then wear a gloss on top of it because I feel like I have more control. And with that nice base of the lipstick underneath, I just feel like I get more wear. But I love this color. I love it. I wish I could find this in another formula, a color like this. I don't know if Chanel has one like this, but it's so pretty. And it is going to look different on everybody's lips because it depends on what your lip base is, but I really love this. It's one of the reasons I wanted this set. I know it sounds crazy, but it is. So let's talk about the eyes next, and then we'll get to the blush. The blush that I'm wearing is not one of the newer ones. So this is it right here. And I am reshooting this, so I did it, and I don't like the way my eye look turned out. And I don't know, first impressions, I feel like I wanted to like play around with this. I could really give you a good idea. Trying it with different shadows, do I really, really like it? So this is the color right here. Now it looks a little weird right there. And the reason is, and it doesn't seem to have messed it up, but I did use a little bit of MAC Fix Plus as part of my test to see if I can make it a little bit more vibrant. And it does kind of do that, but I wouldn't recommend doing that with this. I wouldn't recommend. It doesn't seem like it ruined it, but just be careful with it. But it's really pretty. However, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the monitor. There you go. You can kind of see there's glitter in it. I am okay with a little bit of glitter, and this glitter on my eye, I mean, you'd have to be in my face to see it. Nobody is going to see this glitter. So if you're somebody that does like glitter, I think you're going to be disappointed because it's more of like there's just like a splash of glitter in it. Really fine glitter. I personally prefer a shimmer over a glitter. I'm not like opposed to wearing glitters. I'm fine with it occasionally. I just don't think it does anything for it. I think this would have looked more amazing, this color, if it was in a shimmer. I think it would just be stunning. But it does have glitter. And also, I did not get this just to do a one and done shadow. I didn't think I would. I think it looks okay the way I did it. I did a little wing today, and I'm going to show you that. But I don't it wouldn't be something I would do all the time. I feel like I need something more. Like I said, it doesn't look bad actually today, but I would add a brown or different corally color or something like that. So anyways, but I wanted you to see what it looked like. So I'm going to go in and I'm actually going to use my Chanel brush here because I feel like this shadow, you have to have a brush more like this as opposed to a fluffy brush. If you use a fluffy brush, you're not going to get as much coverage. You're going to have to keep on going in and applying it, applying it. So you want to use a brush like this to apply it. And so we'll get the color on and you will see you'll have quite a bit. I'm going to tap it off so I don't get too much fallout from this. And I do have an eyeshadow primer on. I have the MAC Painterly. So as you can see, when you first put it on, you don't see much. And I'm going to go ahead and go on again. 10 swipes. So keep that in mind. And I'm applying it again. I'm kind of going up a little bit higher. I'm going to apply it a little bit more. So that with that, I definitely get more coverage. Now, we do have a pink liner. I do not like it. I am not going to wear a pink liner. It's just not my jam. You do you. I feel like instead of that pink liner that I will show you, I really wish they would have done like maybe a matte lipstick that you could have put that other lipstick over, a lip liner, nail polish color. The pink liner is just a no for me. I want to blend this. I closed my thing. I must have closed it wrong and it got a little wonky. So I'm going to have to wash this today so I can fix it because my brush is a little out of sorts. So it's not bad. The thing about this palette or this collection is this. Are you someone that can wear peachy eyeshadows? If you are, and you think you can wear it with other things, which I know I can, I'm going to show you in a minute, then you're going to like this collection. If you're not, then don't get it. I passed on the other collection because it has, the red lipstick is pretty, but I feel like I'm good with my red lipsticks right now. I feel like I have enough, and I don't wear red lipstick every day. I have to be in a mood to do it. That's why I like this, because I feel like it's a pop of color, but it's not like in your face, you know? So I really didn't like that. The brown lipstick is a big no for me because it's a no for me. I'm not going to wear brown lipstick. It's just not for me. But if you like brown, you go for it. The green eyeshadow in that collection is really pretty. But I just bought a green single shadow, and I feel like it looks to me pretty similar. I have a green eyeshadow from RMS that I really love. So it wasn't really calling my name. And then the red polish is pretty, but I don't know, it wasn't really calling my name. This I really like because I really love this color. It's so pretty. I really like it. I love peachy colors. I wear them a lot. I love the lipstick. I love the, you're going to see that when I do the cheek, that is so pretty. So let me finish. So I'm going to take my Barbara Brown eyeliner and I'm just going to do my tight line. And then I took my smudger brush from the Nikki LaRosa collection. My Nikki LaRosa smudger brush, I love this. You can do a perfect wing with this. So I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to use this color right here from my Mario palette that I love this palette. I love it. And I just went on top of here. And just create a little wing, just like that. Now I'm going to deepen a little bit more. And I'm going to go underneath here too. And I'm going to go just take my fingernail. I think I might darken a little bit more. There we go. And you see how I did that? I mean, it's so easy to do it. It's this brush is fabulous. I love it. I won't bore you with it. I'm just going to put a little bit on. I'm going to get to my blush and I'll probably put on some more. And then I'll show you some other ways that I would wear this. This is one that is retired, this blush, and I love it from Chanel. And it's this one right here. You can see it's well loved. And this is from the This is the Fleur de Prétemps. Am I saying that right? That's what it is. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what it says. See right there? That's what this is. And I love it. I love it. I've even done a whole look with this on my eyes. I mean, I could do that with this too. I could add this to this and build it up a little bit more. I just love it. So I'm just going to take it. I kind of go both of them in there is what I do. And then I just build it up. Oh, I love this blush. I love it. I love it. I love it. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. I love it. Like that. And then I'm going to take this, which is gorgeous, and I'll tell you the color of this. This is in the color Morning Dew. So this is one of those balms. Now, some people say they use this on their lips. I'm going to swatch it for you. I don't see diddly squat if I put that on my lips. I can barely see it on my hand. I guess if you have the right lip liner, you could lip line it, fill it in, and then use this. But I just like it on my cheeks. So I've already have it on this side. I'm going to do it on this side. You could see the difference. See? Glowy, pretty, not too glowy. And watch. It is so, oh my goodness. Can you see it? I feel like the light is, hopefully the light's hitting it enough. I can't see. Hopefully it is. Because I'm putting even more on this side than the other side, but I did the same thing. It's so pretty and glowy and not, it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I was going to say it's not greasy or whatever. Like, it's not sparkly. It's just so pretty. I still have my original one that Chanel came out with, the first one, and this one's more of like a clear one. And I still love that one, but this is just so pretty. So that's why these are the reasons that I really like this collection, is the eyeshadow that I knew I could wear with other things. Let me show you, and then I'm going to show you the back. Other shadows I would use with it, I would use this little one from Charlotte Tilbury. I would use this with it, and this is the, I don't know if this one's around anymore, but this is the Pillow Talk one, but this is a different Pillow Talk one. This one's mostly all shimmers. So I would use that with it. I would use this one. I think this is the Pillow Talk, the other Pillow Talk. That would be so pretty with this. And I may go ahead and put some of that on so you can see what it looked like, but I wanted you to see what it looked like on its own. And then I have this palette, which has some really pretty corals in it. See right there, that I could wear with this and it will look amazing. And then I also have this, which has Pillow Talk colors in it. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I have so many that are going to work well with this. It's not the same though. This is totally different. So let's just put some of this on and build it a little bit more. I think I'm going to go in with this really quickly and just put a little bit up there. Just give my eye a little bit more dimension. I have to blend that better because that did not blend very good. Just going to wipe my brush off. I need to clean my brushes. See, just that one color, how it just kind of took it up to the next level. Then I could go in and I can take a smudger brush and I'm going to go in here and just bring it up in here. Same thing on this other eye. So that's how I wanted to, that's how I knew I was going to wear this. I knew it wasn't going to be like a one and done for me, that I could just play around with this and do different looks. I could use a brown, or like I said, I could do more of a, even more of a corally look. So if you think that, you know, these shadows are going to look nice on you, or if you want to wear it with other colors, then I would definitely recommend it. I'm happy with it. Let's talk about the bag really quick. So this is what the bag looks like. So you open it up and it has this little flap in it. I'm going to be honest with you, I did not buy it for this. I know you're probably like, why did you get it? Because I really like those colors. I feel like I feel like for me that makes more sense than to just buy something for this. This is cute and everything. I might even display it back there. I probably will. I don't know. I'm not going to put a chain on it. I know some people do that. It's not my thing. I'm not going to walk around with this. And I don't know what the hell you're going to fit in it because you're not going to fit your phone and stuff in there. I mean, where's my phone? Let's see. Yeah, it wouldn't even fit. My phone wouldn't even fit in here. So I don't know what you're going to carry around in it. You know what I mean? Um, it's just a cute little keepsake is how I feel. They could have done something better. I think what would have been better in the set if they had like a big mirror. You know, they have I have one, a purse one, but if they had like a bigger one that opened up and maybe it was magnetized and wasn't that you could travel with, like that would be really, really cute. And here, this is cute and everything, and if you're a collector of it, I think it's really nice, but it's not really something I can use personally. I'm not going to pack this and go somewhere. What am I going to pack in it? Not much. I mean, you can pack in it what you got in this kit, but that's not enough to do a full face. So it's cute and everything, but don't get this set because of this. And then, of course, the box. The box is really, really cute. Looks like a shopping bag. Really cute. Again, if you are a collector, then I think it's really, really nice, but I don't think this is a must-have. I'm glad that I have it. It's worth it for me, but it's not amazing. And then, like I said, the eyeliner is so pretty, but not for me. I just feel like they could have done something better with it than this, because this is not me. I'm not wearing a pink eyeliner. I tried it and I was like, oh Lord, no. No, the brown looks better on me. It's just a no for me. That is it. Thank you all so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video today. I hope that it's okay that my hair is up. I was going to put it down, but we have crappy weather and I didn't feel like it because it wouldn't last. Anyways, if you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. And before you leave, please, if you enjoyed this video, I greatly appreciate if you would like, share, and comment my videos because it helps to push them out to the algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. We need to wake it up. We need to wake that algorithm up, and I need your help. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.